Buyers aren't internally asking for a dense list of features. They are asking how a tool solves their immediate, specific problems. When customers are forced to mentally translate a technical spec sheet into a real-world solution, they experience decision fatigue. The mental effort becomes too high. They delay the choice, and the sale stalls out entirely. Moving past this fatigue requires identifying the specific internal questions that actually trigger a purchasing decision. We can categorize these motivations into 3 distinct factors. Transactions align when the physical capabilities of a device meet one of 3 primary buyer protocols. The first of these drivers is the internal calculation of conservation. The buyer is quietly asking, if I buy this, how much money and resource drain can I prevent over time? We can see this engineering logic physically manifested in hardware like the IAU HP 4929 printer. This graphic breaks down 3 distinct buying factors. The top purple section focuses on the SAVE protocol, specifically highlighting the IAU HP 4929 and its included ink supply capable of printing 4,000 pages. When we break that 4,000-page yield down to a standard usage of 100 prints per month, that single initial ink supply covers over 3 years of continuous operation. For this user, the printer represents an engineered equation for long-term financial conservation. The second buyer profile operates on a completely different metric, return on investment. Their internal question flips from what can I save to how much can I earn using this tool. Hardware designed for this mindset, like the HP SmartTank 580, shifts its design focus toward continuous, heavy-duty productivity. The middle blue section of the framework illustrates this EARN protocol. The key data points here are the high-volume out-of-the-box capacities, 8,000 black pages and 6,000 color pages included immediately. By providing thousands of pages of raw output immediately, the hardware functions as a high-yield investment vehicle. The user can start generating revenue instantly without stopping to source supplies. The EARN buyer requires proof of maximum output. They prioritize sheer capability and uptime over the lowest initial purchase price. The final purchasing factor abandons strict mathematics in favor of an intangible emotion, the pursuit of complete peace of mind. For many users, a product that breaks down or requires constant troubleshooting creates an unacceptable cost in time and stress. The promise of reliability outweighs any potential savings or increased output. In the bottom green section, the framework ties this emotional requirement to the entire lineup of HP laser printers. Laser technology relies on dry powder rather than liquid ink, meaning the device can sit idle for months and still produce a perfect page on command. This consistent, maintenance-free performance directly reduces stress in a high-pressure environment. For this demographic, emotional security is a measurable buying factor. The ultimate value proposition is the guarantee of a frictionless experience. This unified view shows the SAVE, EARN, and PEACE protocols as parallel drivers operating within the market simultaneously. Prior to discussing technical specifications, successful communication requires identifying which of these 3 specific priorities the customer possesses. Pitching high-volume output to a buyer who values frictionless peace of mind or long-term savings to a buyer chasing immediate revenue creates a strategic misalignment. The transaction fails because the solution ignores the user's primary motivation. Efficient commerce requires matching the physical capabilities of a tool to the specific internal goal of the user. Whether selecting a high-yield printer or any professional tool, the final choice depends on which of these 3 conditions the user prioritizes most.